Hi, welcome to Amberwood.
Hi, I'm Terry Field with Amberwood Products. I'm the Vice President of the company. Amberwood Products is a cabinet manufacturing and commercial caseware company. We have been around for 35 years. My father started the company 35 years ago along with my mom and my grandfather. And me and my sisters, Lisa Nelson and Marianne Cervelli, run the business.
My name is Lisa Nelson. I'm the HR manager. I've been with Amberwood Products for approximately 16 years. I haven't always been in HR. I've started from doing the shipping, billing, AP, and just sort of levitated to the HR.
I feel that Amberwood stands out from other companies in our service and our quality. We treat each client as though it were our own home, and we have very minimal errors, and we take care of our clients as quickly as we can. They keep coming back for business, so I guess we're doing something right. The initial process begins with the client, and I send our design team out to measure the units, and then they meet with the client and they design. So it goes through the factory, at which point it goes through the milling process, and it goes through the sanding process, the assembly process, and finishing process to delivery, in which case a lot of the times we unload the cabinets as well.
So this is our residential manufacturing plant. We've got about 50,000 square feet, and I'll show you a little bit of the process here. We have a lumber yard here. Material is brought in raw, and we sand it down. Okay, so this is where we manually put the face frames together. This is our face frame sanding machine. It sands the top and the bottom. It goes through the sander 3 times. Totally finished product, ready for stain shop. This is where we paint and stain. We do glazing. We do just about any finish, antiquing, any kind of finish that the homeowner or client wants. Commercial being, we do a lot of tenant improvements, a lot of schools, a lot of hospitals. That's the difference between the commercial and the residential. So this is our CNC routing machine. It's a very vital part of our organization. Makes it a lot easier to produce the cabinetry and assemble the cabinetry. What would take us about 10 minutes to do, the machine does in about 30 seconds. Over here we have one of our edge banders that edges the shelving materials, or our plastic laminate for shelving. It gets edge banded with plastic laminate or PVC depending on what the client needs, and it goes up to 2 inches in thickness.
We specialize in all different kinds of cabinetry, and we really don't limit ourselves to just about anything. So in this case here we have some cherry wainscot with the inkable corbels. Here we have beech material with a light walnut finish with these pull-out legs that have a spice rack. The wood hood with a black applique that we painted on site. This is also glazed with a black glaze. Because green building is so popular, which we do quite a bit of, this happens to be a bamboo cabinet with a black melamine interior and full extension drawer guides. And this happens to be a recycled glass top, which is completely green and reusable, all from reused product. Amberwood wouldn't be who we are without our managers and our employees. I mean, honestly, they are a very big part of the success that Amberwood has had, and they're like part of the family. My mom and dad started the business out of a little garage, actually right down the street. It was maybe 1,000 square feet. And we used to come here, sweep the floors, and just help out any way we can. And now, you know, to have the 2 divisions, 35 years later, and 100,000 square feet with 100 employees is, I think, a pretty good accomplishment.